Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Web of Creativity, and I'm sharing with you today the Summer Windmill and Square Tag mini album project. This windmill is 14 inches tall and sits on a 6-inch wide base, which is a drawer that holds the mini album, which is right next to it. And that album is 5 1/4 by 5 1/2. So to start off with, this windmill, I used the paper Graphic 45 balloon collection. And the mini album uses Graphic 45 Square Ivory Tags. And it's a 5-page album, and I will switch views to show you inside the album in just a minute. So let me zoom in on this. So for starters, this guy's blades do move. So I do have them so the blades move. And this paper is great. It has these beautiful flowers that I fussy cut and put all around the album. So I started off on the side. And I have another dragonfly right here. You can see those flowers are just gorgeous. I love the color of the paper as well. Let me scroll down here. And then there's the drawer and the album. So the dragonfly is a die. The dragonfly is a die. It's from Technique Tuesday, and it's called Build a Dragonfly. It's hard to see because of the light. There you go. Build a Dragonfly. And I used some clear translucent paper and then acrylic, colored it and then put acrylic paper on top of it, and then the body's just the paper. Alright, so the kits come with everything to make the windmill and the mini album. The tutorial is both the windmill and the mini album. And I have the videos for the box, the windmill, and the album. I do have 3 separate videos. Just trying to cut down on some of the time. And so this is the project. You can find everything on my website, www.webofcreativity.net. And I'm going to switch views so I can show you the inside of the album. Alright, now that I switched camera views, this is the mini album. And again, it uses the Graphic 45 Square Ivory Tags, and I also use the die that Graphic 45 has to mat the tags. So this is the square tag die. Alright, and then we have the butterfly, about the butterfly, that's the dragonfly, and then I cut out the butterflies and the flowers. So those are fussy cut from the collection, and then a chipboard piece and the sticker from the collection. So then we have this nice little open area for a picture and a tag. So the back side of our tag has a flap, and then the front side of the tag is just open area with a tag inside. So it's pretty simple. Very easy to put together, super fun to decorate. That's it. That's the album, and so this is a preview video of both of the projects, and then I have a construction video for the mini album, which is a part 3. Part 1 is the drawer and the box and the drawer base, and then we have the windmill as part 2. So 3 videos for this full project, kits and tutorials on my blog. All the links are below. Please go check it out. I also have a Facebook page. Please go check that out as well. So that's facebook.com/webofcreativity424, I think. But if you put Web of Creativity, it should pop right up. Okay, thank you for watching.